No?
Hi, my viewers. This is Mwanya River at Machakos. Yes, Mwanya River runs from up there downward. And Mwanya River is so helpful to the community members here. Many have planted crops. We have good crops over there, you can see. There are other crops over here. There are beans, there are sunflowers. And here the farmer is trying to plant pumpkins. Here there is planting of pumpkins. The farmer is placing some soil so that he can start planting the pumpkins and the watermelons. So yes, that is the Mwanya River. You can see even up there is man activity. There is a lot of quarry. There is I can see there is man activity there. There is stones. I think some stones and soil is being removed from there. Yes, Mwanya River. Yes. You can see the way the crops are so good over there. There is a nursery for some seedlings over here. The farmer is using the waters 100%. He's getting good water for seedlings. So now we go down the river. It is so steep here, so someone can fall. So you need to be very careful. So now down the stones. The river is made of very big stones placed over each other. So you can see the water starts from up there down this side. And this farmer here is removing some soil there so that he can use them up there for some crop planting. Yes. We go down further. You can see the way the water is flowing. Yes, the water has been harvested. It is something has been built like a bridge. This is Mwanya River at Machakos, the place to be. And you can see the way the river has stones, good stones. People come